Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: your work or school account, password, and any two-factor method. Once done, make sure your network allows Teams traffic and disable VPN or proxy temporarily to rule out routing. Next, update Windows or Mac OS and the Teams client. Keeping versions current avoids known auth bugs. Now, before reinstalling, sign out of every Teams instance and take note of the app version so you can restore the same build if needed. You need to perform a thorough reset. First, quit Teams and kill any lingering processes. Then clear the client cache by deleting the specific Teams folders in app data or library. This removes stale tokens causing sign and loops. After that, open Credential Manager or Keychain and delete Teams-related credentials so a fresh token is forced. Once those steps are complete, relaunch Teams and attempt sign-in. The client will recreate clean storage. You should now uninstall Teams and remove any leftover application folders, then install the latest client build. Once reinstalled, sign in. If it still fails, immediately test on the Teams web app to confirm whether the problem is the desktop client or your account configuration. If web works, it's a client issue. If web fails, escalate to IT. Key troubleshooting tip: check conditional access and MFA policies. Ask IT to revoke sessions or reset your device in Azure AD, because server block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.